Hey, what's up guys? It's been a while since we've shown you this particular floor plan. This is the Cougar half-ton 27 SGS. So this is towable with a half-ton truck. Pretty awesome. It actually comes in weighing 8,101 pounds. So it's not super heavy for a fifth wheel. And then it comes out for the length as 30 feet 7 inches. Starting with the outside first, you have your road armor pin box with the patented hitch vision just above there. And you also have this light too, but this really helps lining up your tow vehicle with your pin box, looking into your rear view mirror with the patented hitch vision. So that's pretty nice. This also has the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty because it is Keystone. A spot for your battery and some additional storage is just below there. And then of course you have your nicely painted front cap with accent lights. Moving along, you are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras, so all you have to do is just purchase the camera part, pop it in there, and then you can view the sides of your camper while you're parking it, while you're taking it down the road, so it can just be really helpful. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other, and you also have a power awning that stretches to your campsite slide out. Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and this is a 2022 model, so you do have these solar panels on it because of Keystone. Oversized grab handle, friction hinge door, solid steps, so that's great for people getting in and out of the camper or your pets. A rear ladder, so you can climb up and just check your slides before running them in, make sure there's no sticks or debris, and just doing overall maintenance. You are pre-wired for a backup camera as well. A little bit of a hitch back there too. And then moving along, you have 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side, access to your water heater. And this also has auto leveling, which is very nice. So you just have to press a button and it auto levels for you. So again, some pass-through storage. You can have some chairs, tables, extra gear going here. Maybe even a bike can fit. And over here on this non-camping side, I wanted to show you your hookups. So you have a light, so again, you can see what you're doing even if you get to the campground while it's still dark. Hookup for a shower, so you have a hose. You can extend that out. You have access to hot and cold water, maybe rinse off your shoes, your legs, anything really. Winterized water heater bypass, multi-source signal controller for your Key TV, city water connection. This is also where you can open your tanks and be able to run the hoses down here. You just unscrew it, so that way you can close this pass-through storage door and it looks nice and neat. But now we're going to take a look at the inside. So coming all the way to the front, you have your master bedroom, queen size bed, and you can lift this up for the additional storage underneath. End tables are on both sides. They also have kind of raised up shelves for decorations or putting your personal belongings there, and some drawers too, so you can hide all the clutter. You have power outlets and USB ports on both sides, as well as kind of like reading lights. So if one person is sleeping, the other person can stay up and read their book. Closet shell or closet drawers and a couple cabinets are just up above. You are prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom if you want one. And one of those slide outs on your non-camping side is actually for your closet space. They all have mirror panels on the front, so you can use that to get ready. But each door has its own drawer. It's kind of hard to say, with a clothes rack that extends all the way across. And then at the foot of your bed is a spot for a TV if you want, so you have all of the hookups and stuff for it. Coming out here into our bathroom, nice sit-down shower, and you have the clear shower door, which I think opens up the space even more. Skylight for some natural light, and your vent fan too. Just next to your shower is some storage that goes back pretty far. Open cubby storage for maybe some toilet paper, porcelain foot flush toilet, towel rack, and then across the way is your sink. I like that the light switch for the bathroom is tinted, so you don't have to like scrounge and look for if you need to use the restroom in the middle of the night. It actually glows blue, so that's pretty awesome. Power, countertop space, all of this storage is down below. And then your medicine cabinet. You also have a barn-style sliding door for that extra privacy. You're not swinging it out into the hallway entrance, so you can really open up that space and not block anything. And then coming out here we have our in-command system. So through this touch screen, you're able to access, let me do the very secret code. You're able to access your lights, your slide outs, turn on your AC, turn on your heat, pretty much everything through this touchscreen. And they even have a app that you can download for free on your phone and be able to do it while you're sitting relaxing in your recliner. So that's pretty awesome. But you can change the passcode on it as well. You don't have to use the one that comes with the camper when it ships here. So coming into the rest of our camper, this is where you entertain, have all of your kids and guests running around. Love this kitchen space. It's its own little nook. I just like the way it is. It's still a part of all the action in here without being in the way of the living room, the TV, and you can still watch TV while you are cooking. Stainless steel 50/50 split sink with a spray nozzle. Countertop space is to the left of it and all the way against the back wall. So you can have small appliances plugged in here, use it for kind of like a buffet style for your kids to come get food. But you do have the plug-in and USB port, so you can have your coffee maker set up right there or your air fryer. Cabinets up above, and they're pretty tall too. You also have some storage up there. I don't know if you want to put any knickknacks or decorations, but at least you have it. More storage is below your sink and underneath that extra countertop space. 3 burner top stove with a glass cover. Of course, your oven and pots and pans drawer. Range hood, microwave, and your rather large refrigerator. And then coming back into our living room, you have your sleeper sofa, so you can fold this out into a sleeping spot for your kids or guests. And when it is all folded out, you can still be able to go inside the kitchen while people are trying to sleep in. Windows, couple cabinets up above. And then all the way at the back, you normally see your sofa against the back part of the camper, but here we have our theater reclining seats, and they're not combined, so you can change the position of each one if you want a better view of the TV, a better view of talking to whoever's on the sofa. So I like that you can move these around if you want. Very big end tables are on both sides. The one on the left has some cubby storage, and you also have power and USB ports. Another big window, more storage space, freestanding dinette. So again, people can watch TV while they're eating dinner or playing board game nights, watch a movie, anything like that. I like that this is very dark compared to the rest of the colors in the camper. Kind of makes it contrast a little bit. The price comes out to be $49,985 for everything. And then this carpet, well, it's not really carpet. I guess it's like an outdoor rug material here in this slide out, so it makes for easy sweeping of pet hair. And then lastly, we have our entertainment space. And again, I love that it's angled. It looks really great. Electric fireplace is down below. And then you have your Bluetooth speaker system just above there. A couple cabinets, or I guess drawers for your DVDs. And then a swivel TV, so you can change that TV position even more if you would like. But there you have it. Any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know. Thanks.